that one, there was a bug in the
Wrap me all up in your love.
Hey gorgeousness, we are in for more vlogs, more fun, and if you want to see how I did this look, keep watching and subscribe. See you soon. So I'm in a beauty supply store because I end up changing the hairstyle I was thinking of in the first place. The first hairstyle I was going to do was some Fulani braids in the front and then do the wig in the back, but I ended up changing it and I have a pack of hair now. So this is me at the beauty supply store looking for that pack of hair. Y'all, I know y'all see that bug in that pack of hair right there. I know y'all see it because I was just like, look at it right there. Oh no. Okay, y'all, so we're off to another hair store because that one, there was a bug in the braiding hair. There was a bug in the braiding hair and I'm scared to buy another pack. So we off to another one. Hopefully this one don't got no bugs in it because that's nasty. I just took my braids out from under my wig. This is how it's looking. So I'm going to wash my hair with this Design Essentials Almond Avocado, the sulfate free shampoo. I'm gonna wash this, rinse that out, and then I'm going to do a treatment, which is this Afro G 2-step treatment. I'm gonna put this in, saturate the hair with it, blow dry it by just putting heat on it. Don't manipulate it in any way. It's gonna get real stiff. And then the balancing moisturizer. So after you put this in your hair, then you rinse it out. Treatment. I'm trying to get my curls back. See, my color is coming back. After that perm I had it in April. One time I did that perm. I did that perm one time. And it's still in my hair. I'm waiting for it to come out. So hopefully this treatment helps. So for reference, this is how my hair looked back in April when I got my pixie cut and got a perm as well. So with this half up, half down, I have this old wig I have sitting laying around. The frontal is balding like crazy. See that? I'm going to cut the frontal out. You see only the tracks here. So I'm cutting off this whole frontal part. Hair update. So in front of my curls is kind of growing back. Still got these straight pieces at the back. Slowly growing back. Slowly. Gonna go blow dry and come back. I miss my curly hair. So that's what I'm waiting on. And I'm waiting for this color to come out so I can have my dark brown back. Okay, so I braided this whole anchor braid. So now I'm going to, ooh, I got another hairpin. You know we be finding hairpins in your hair, like. Okay, so I'm going to part it. I was gonna do medium, but I want it to be flat. So I'm gonna do a kind of small. Okay, remember we said we don't care if the parts is straight or whatever. So this is how that feel crooked, but it's okay. It's okay. It's going under the wig. Nobody not gonna see it. So pull this out the way. My roots is a little bit curly. I'm getting my real texture back. So I'm gonna start this braid off, and I'm gonna add that anchor braid. My arm's getting tired already. Okay, so I'm going to put a rubber band at the end of this because my hair is still short, so I don't want to unravel. Okay, so here's my braid pattern. A little janky, I know. So here's the wig. Took all the clips out. Make sure it's centered. And just going to sew it right on here. So this is how the front looks. I sewed the front down. Now we're doing the back. So hard for me to tug on the thread because there is a knot in it. Do you see that? And I'm not starting over, so we're gonna keep going. So you can see I pulled this a little tighter because it's a little bit. You see that? So I'm going to pull it like that. I'm going to do it again. So I have my new thread. Oh, I was like, why is it clear? This is my new thread. So see, it's not really buckled anymore. Okay, so I had to get more thread because I didn't get enough the last time. One, two, three. So here I'm tying the thread around 3 times, and then I'm gonna pull it to secure that knot. This is how it looks. I don't know if y'all seen this, but this is the first time I seen this in a beauty supply store, so I was like, let me get it. Shine and Jam has mousse. Do you see that? Shine and Jam Supreme Foam Rat Mousse. And this is for all hair types. I was like, oh, it's for the natural girlies, but it says all hair types. But so I'm gonna take this mousse. Doesn't smell bad either. And this is just gonna help set the curls. See, the curls look more juicier.
Wrap me up, wrap me up.